5 major benefits of steel frame houses. Dear friends, almost all steel frames used to build houses are made of incredibly robust light-gauge steel. The steel frames are made in a factory and then assembled on the job site. As a result, it can work with almost any structure. Steel may be incredibly durable and sturdy, but for residential buildings, a lightweight steel frame is the better option. Metal structures provide a lot of advantages. 1. Steel frames are stronger and more long-lasting. Steel is perfect for homes that are frequently subjected to natural calamities such as termite infestations, acid rain, storms, and other similar events. While you may imagine that only timber is environmentally friendly, steel is also environmentally favorable because of its endurance. Furthermore, as steel frames are less prone to damage, they are more cost-effective to maintain. 2. Cost-effectiveness in terms of labor. When it comes to building homes, labor costs may be rather exorbitant at times. In the engineering and construction sectors, you might say that time is money. Steel is 25% lighter than wood, making installation faster and easier. As a result, it needs fewer human resources. Moreover, finishing your project sooner or earlier than the scheduled completion date might save you a lot of money. Prefabricated steel frames with markings for simple identification will be delivered directly at the construction site. As a result, they can put them together quickly. 3. Metal frames work well with insulation. Metal is the finest option for house heating and insulation systems when compared to other constructions such as wood. As a result, becoming more energy efficient becomes an advantage. Steel buildings benefit from spray foam and loose fill insulation. 4. Non-combustibility. Steel, unlike wood, has very little possibility of catching fire. The best thing is that you may save money on fire insurance because of this. Steel can compromise under intense heat conditions in extremely rare instances. 5. Flexible. Steel frames are flexible and can easily adapt to almost any building design. This is one of the reasons why more builders are turning to steel. It can withstand long spans and curve-around forms, which is hard to make with traditional wooden frames. Therefore, steel frames can suit any type of structural outputs. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.